Hi everyone, welcome to Linsky today. We're here to explain the tamper-resistant function of UL498 American sockets. This is a UL498 compliant receptacle with force touch protection. A tamper-resistant receptacle is a receptacle that, by its construction, is designed to limit improper contact with its energized contacts in accordance with the NEC. The UL498 standard requires a safety shutter system inside tamper-resistant sockets. Normally, the shutter is tightly closed to block foreign objects. Only when the two prongs of the plug are inserted simultaneously and with the right force will the shutter open to enable safe power connection. Such a feature is useful in everyday life and many scenarios require such outlets. The NEC in the United States requires the use of 125 V15A and 20 ATR sockets in bedrooms, living rooms, children's activities, and other places in the home. Now we conduct a probe test to simulate a child's play scenario. If a child accidentally inserts a foreign object, such as a metal rod, into 1 foot, C, it can't be inserted at all. It can only be inserted when the two prongs of the plug are inserted simultaneously. And this is the function of the force touch protection at work. If it were a regular outlet, this mistouching behavior would likely result in an electrocution of a child, which is very dangerous. So how can you tell the difference between a tamper-resistant socket and a normal socket on the market? Let's take a closer look at the front of the sockets. TR sockets are marked with the TR symbol, which is the full name of the socket. Tamper-resistant. In contrast, ordinary sockets do not have any markings on the front, except for the jack. Well, the tamper-resistant function of UL498 safeguards electrical safety from design to application. When choosing a socket, remember to pay more attention to this important feature. Safe electricity use starts with choosing the right socket. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products, please visit our website.